For you to own real estate in Nigeria, you need a deed of assignment. Now, wait a minute. I know what you might be thinking.
Hey, y'all, come look at this.
For your favorite realtor, I already paid for the land. I have the receipt. And the seller gave me a handshake and a smile. Look, I get it. A receipt shows you paid money, but in the Nigerian real estate market, a receipt alone does not make you the legal owner of that property. If you want to sleep like a baby at night, knowing nobody is going to wake you up tomorrow and claim your land, you need a deed of assignment. Hello and welcome back to my channel. I'm your favorite realtor, Sandra Ajayi. I educate real estate investors on what to do before investing in real estate. You need to watch this video through to the end because today I'll be breaking down what this document actually is. Why is it your ultimate safety net and how to make sure you get it right. Let's dive in. Think of a deed of assignment like a legal receipt on steroids. Imagine you buy a car. The seller hands over the keys, but they also sign over the change of ownership papers to your name, right? That's exactly what a deed of assignment does for real estate. It is a formal legal agreement between the person selling the property, that's the assigner, and you, the buyer, the assignee. It officially states that the seller has handed over all their rights, ownership, and interest in that piece of land or house to you permanently. Once the document is signed, the seller cannot turn around 5 years later to claim the property or sell it to someone else. Here's why a receipt and survey plan are not enough. A lot of first-time buyers fall into a big trap here in Nigeria. They get a receipt and a survey plan and they think, Omo, I don't land. Let's clear this up. The payment receipt only proves that money changed hands. The survey plan only shows the size and exact boundaries of the land. The deed of assignment, however, is what actually transfers the legal title from the seller to you. Without a deed of assignment, legally speaking, the property still belongs to the seller, even if you've built a fence around it. And here's how to get it done right. So, how do you make sure your deed of assignment is valid? Keep these 3 simple steps in mind. Number 1, get a property lawyer. Don't draft this yourself or rely on a generic template from the internet or maybe AI. A real estate lawyer will draft it to match the exact details of your deal. Secondly, double check the details. Ensure names, land measurements, purchase price, and property descriptions are 100% correct. Then number 3, perfect your title. Once everyone signs, take the deed to the State Lands Bureau to pay your stamp duties and get governor's consent. That final step puts the official government seal on your ownership. At the end of the day, real estate is one of the best investments you can make in Nigeria, but only if your paperwork is rock solid. Don't cut corners on your legal documents. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and share this with a friend who is planning to buy property soon. Drop any questions you have in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. I remember your favorite realtor, Sandra Ajayi. Have a nice day. Bye.